Hey everyone, this is X Researcher here. It feels really good to say this again after a long time. It has been many years since I have last uploaded a video on this channel. The truth is, over the past few years, my entire focus was on only one thing, that is completing my PhD. And finally, I did it, and it took almost 10 years of my life. And now I want to return to this channel and share whatever I have learned, just like I used to before. So now coming to today's video, I want to introduce something that I believe is extremely important for research scholars and academics, that is a portfolio. Many of you do excellent work, publish papers, attend conferences and gain valuable experience. Here is an elegant way to present all of this in one clear professional way. So this portfolio helps you showcase your academic journey, your research interests, your publication skills and achievements in a structured, elegant manner. So what you are seeing here is a research scholar or academic portfolio template that I have created. So here is the main page where all your information is displayed clearly. So for managing the content, there's a separate admin page where you can enter or update your details that will be directly reflected to the main page. So note that this is a static website. That means there are no complicated animations, no unnecessary pop-ups and spectacular designs, no redirections to multiple pages. So whatever the information you enter in the admin section will be automatically reflected on the main page. So the idea is to keep the website simple, clean, academic friendly. This portfolio is especially designed for beginners who are just starting their research or academic journey. And I want to be honest that this website is still at an early stage. There is a lot more than can be added and improved over time. And I am not a professional web developer, but the good thing is we have AI these days that can help us bridge gap in our skills. So with minimal web development knowledge and the help of AI, I was able to create this portfolio template, and you can customize it according to your needs. You can modify sections, update content and adapt it for your specific academic purpose. If you are interested in getting this portfolio template, you can still email me, and I want to mention this transparently here that there will be a small amount required to get this template. I believe it is fair considering the time, effort and future updates that will go into improving this. So I will be uploading more videos soon on some ideas and tips that may enhance your research career. And thank you for your patience, support and trust all these years. We will meet again very soon with new upload. Until then, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.